Good morning, everyone. I am Jitendra Jaiswal. We all must have heard of 2G, 3G, and the very new 4G communication standards. But I am sure you must have never heard of no G. I would like to share my experience with all of you in terms of how my journey with no G actually started. It was 12th of March this year, and I was on my way to my hometown, a lovely village called Mohammadabad. It's a small village situated in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, that's full of luscious greenery, fresh air, and scenes straight out of the fairy tale land that can make you stop and exclaim, "Wow, so beautiful." Since I was going after a long time, the moment I reached my home, I was curious to meet my friends. I just got freshened up, dumped my bag in a corner, soaked in memories that coming to me, and rushed out to meet my friends. Luckily, I did not have to go too far, and I saw my childhood friend, Ramesh. I called him. He was surprised to see me. He took me to his house, and I saw there a thin guy sitting on a cot. Ramesh had changed a lot since I last met him. I asked him, "How is everything going on?" He said, "Nothing is going good. There were unseasonal rains, and all his crops were damaged. He had incurred a huge loss because of that. He was not in a condition to pay off his debts. Also, his son, who was not well for over a week, he was not able to afford the huge treatment cost of private hospitals." I asked him, "Why don't you utilize the various government schemes for you?" He asked, "Which schemes?" I said, "Search on your internet on your phone. There are a lot of schemes from government which can help you out." He smiled and showed me his basic feature phone and said, "I doubt this will offer any help because it's just a basic phone." I said, "No, it will not work on this phone. Wait, I will show you on my phone." I took out my phone and tried to connect on internet. To my surprise, there was no net on my phone as well. So this phone, which I bought for 15,000 rupees, was of no help at that time. I was feeling helpless. I was not able to help my friend at that moment. I came back home and I was thinking, is Ramesh the only person who is facing this kind of problem? I mean, we are a country with a population of about 1.25 billion, with over 60% population living in villages. This has to be a common problem. I searched on the internet and found till today only less than 30% of the mobile phone users are using smartphones. That is, only 30% of users are connected to digital world right now. This implies to more than 70% of population using mobile phones are using feature phones with limited or no internet connectivity and no access to mobile apps. If you see the projection, by 2019, it's expected to go only till 40%. So even after 4 years from now, more than 60% of the mobile phone users will be feature phone users. If you go with this projection, it will take at least 10 to 15 years when we will have everyone having a smartphone and connected to the internet world. This is a huge digital world which really currently exists. And there is an even larger user group of more than 70% feature phone users which are currently disconnected. And that's a huge market for us. Just imagine the impact we can make to the lives of those 70% population by getting them connected to the digital world. I was thinking, how can I help them? By getting the information flowing to the feature phones, that too with limited or no internet connectivity. No, that's not possible. I mean, it will require sheer magic to happen to have information flowing to the mobile phones with feature phones with no internet connectivity. But hang on, guys, it's Mashtech, and we at Mashtech always manage to spin off some magic. That's what we do every day, right? There is always something magical in what we do. And the day we join Majesco, we can become a magician. Wow, how cool is that? So I pulled up my magical hat and popped out a magical solution. You all must be curious to know what's that magical solution. You will be surprised to know that the solution is not with me. It's with you all right in your hands right now. Yes, guys, it's with you all in your hands right now. To unravel the solution, I would request you to please unlock your mobile phones. All of you, please unlock your mobile phones with me. Just switch off your internet connection and go to a dial screen. Based on the service provider you are using right now, just dial any of the numbers on the dial screen and hit on dial button. All of you, can you see some message like this? Blank, some code running. Can you all see that some message? Can anyone help me? What's that? Fill in the blank for me. What will come in place of blanks? What's that? Anyone? Yeah, USSD. And that's the magical solution I'm talking about. You saw it doesn't require internet connection. It even works on feature phones and smartphones both. It's 7 times faster than internet. It's real time. And it saves no information on the mobile phone. So why don't we leverage the benefits of this USSD and create magic in the life of people like Ramesh and get them connected to the digital world? Now the question is, what is USSD and how does it work? USSD is basically given by your service provider. You have to just subscribe with your service provider. So when I build an app, so when you dial *11#, it sends a message to the service provider, which forwarded message to the server based on the code. The server processes that request and send the response to the provider. The provider then forwarded the message to mobile phone. That's all. No intent required. It just works automatically, even on feature phones. Now, the question is, how will the app look like if I build an app using USSD? Let's say there's an app of Government of India and the USSD code is *987#. So Ramesh would have dialed with his feature phone *987, and he would have got this thing, some screen like this, where he can register himself with the Government of India portal and avail the various benefits from Government of India. These all schemes are for his help and improve his lifestyle. We all here are using smartphones, correct? And we use smartphones for a lot of things, chatting, surfing, and staying connected with your friends. Even I spend 2 to 3 hours at least on WhatsApp, chatting with my friends. Can anyone guess what's the average monthly data usage per person? It's 1.4 GB. And can anyone guess how much it's going to be by 2021? 7 GB. 5 times increase. Let's see the costing. Let's say I'm connected with my 10 friends. It will cost me 3,000 rupees with the current rate, average. And considering the inflation and all, by 2021, it's going to 12,000 rupees per month. A 4-time increase in the data cost. Now, what if I say you can chat with your friends without internet connection, no data pack required? Sounds magical. No G again here. We can build an app like WhatsApp, but it will work on USSD and it doesn't require internet connection for you. So you remain connected with your friends even if there is no net connection. Even people like Ramesh using feature phones can use this kind of feature and stay connected with you and chat with you. We all use various kind of browsers on mobile phone to search data, information like internet, Chrome, Firefox. These all browsers require internet connection. If there is no net connection, you can't search anything. They are useless for us now in that case. I am building on a browser, USSD browser. This will work on USSD technology and it does not require internet connection. And even if you are in a remote village with no internet connection, you can search of any information and stay connected. There are possibilities are endless. You can do a lot of things. How many of you have ever thought that we can surf Facebook without internet connection? Anybody can have a thought of surfing Facebook without net connection? No? But the answer is yes. You can surf Facebook using USSD. Just dial *325#. You can try it right now itself on a phone if you want to. Even on feature phones, you can use the same thing. So even Ramesh can surf on Facebook. Just look at the possibility. Even giant like Facebook has identified USSD and now they have built something on that. Why don't we do that same thing? It's an opportunity for us to do something and create magic in the life of people like Ramesh and improve their lifestyle. Before I leave, I would like to just leave you with one question. Should we wait for the next 10 to 15 years and wait for everyone having a smartphone to get connected to the digital world? Or should we act right now and create magic in the life of those people? I don't know what's your answer, but I know Ramesh. He has taken the right decision, and using USSD on his feature phone, he has connected to Facebook. Now Ramesh is on Facebook. Thank you very much.